guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you real quick how you can easily cancel a job during its making in Midjourney. So it's very simple, guys. I will show you how to do this. So let's say I will generate, so imagine a camera logo in circle, and then I will press enter, and as you can see it is waiting to start. And while you're waiting to start or during its making, you can always go to more here and click on add reaction, then view more and go over to X, so write X, and then simply press on this X, and this job is now cancelled. You can also delete, so let's say I want to delete this one, so I will press on these three dots and then X. As you can see, it deletes the picture. So that's how you cancel job during its making in Midjourney. It's really that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.